Opportunities are always reserved for enterprises that are dedicated, focused, and constantly innovating. We specialize in one thing, repeating it tirelessly for perfection. Focus and innovation are keys to business success. Since 1997, our company has been diligently researching tent technology, accumulating nearly 30 years' experience. Technology inheritance and reputation of trust. More Tent received market recognition in the first year of establishment. Professional people do professional things, and so do machines. Advanced machinery not only accelerates every process of production, but also more accurate. Whatever simple design or luxury camping solutions, our product has been distributed in every corner of the world. In the mountains of Zibo, there are various glamping tents, offering spaces to enjoy the tranquility of mountains. The shell-shaped tents are built by a seaside of Qinhuangdao, integrating luxury camping and sea entertainment. Anji suburban area adopts safari tents for high-end reception, dining, and VIP accommodation, while also offering 6 guests' rooms for team building. Poland Lakeside, our silver geodesic dome with bathroom, kitchen, French window to enjoy natural beauty. Jiangxi Guangzhou Star Tent illuminates camping theme park and becomes a charming welcome highlight. From the desert to the forest, from the intense heat to the coldness, our tents have passed tests of harsh environment. More Tent takes nature as guide to create stylish and casual tent accommodation experience. Our products have passed international security verification and become preferred choice for tourist attractions and campsites. Shell-shaped tent, perfect integration of architecture and nature, multi-angle viewing, diverse styles to meet needs. Safari series, modular and natural integration design. Fully equipped vacation facilities. First choice for gathering of family, friends, and couples. Panorama's 2 innovative shapes, dome elliptical and capsule, allows enjoying the beauty of nature through the skyline. Bamboo teepee tents are friendly and isolated. White PVC fabric change with light at night, giving unique colors and memories. Indian tent warm brown aluminum alloy. Comfort enhancement, unique display of texture and warmth. Teepee tent combines solid wood and canvas to preserve the traditional Indian, reproducing the architecture beauty from last century. The initial draft to formation, experts visit sites personally, tailored every natural habitat. From a leisurely terrace to an open space, we provide solutions for every personalized need, blending comfort and nature, and make creativity become reality. 30 years accumulation in More Tent. We strive to create every extraordinary travel experience with our heart.